ask you something. Have you ever looked at AI or Canva or ChatGPT and thought, everybody else seems to understand this except me? Maybe you've opened a tutorial, you've watched for about 30 seconds and then you closed it because they started talking about prompts, apps, accounts, and features, and you were already lost. If that is you, I want you to know something today. You are not bad with technology. Nobody ever taught you. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly where to start. Hi, if we haven't met before, my name is Laiken, and I help everyday normal people who feel overwhelmed by technology to build confidence using simple, free and affordable online tools. Because technology shouldn't make you feel stupid. It should make your life so much easier. So today I'm going to show you exactly where I'd start if I had to learn technology all over again. No jargon, no coding, no confusing explanations, just a simple path. But before I show you that path, I want you to promise me something. Don't compare yourself to people who have been learning technology for years. Compare yourself only to the person you were yesterday. That's where the real confidence comes from. Now, here's the funny thing. Technology isn't actually the hardest part. The hardest part is believing everyone else knows something that you don't. When we open YouTube, we often see experts, right? People clicking around effortlessly, using words we've never heard before. They make it look so easy. But what we don't see is that every single one of them started exactly where you are. Confused, overwhelmed, wondering where to click. The difference isn't intelligence. The difference is simply that they kept on clicking. Let me tell you something. When I first started learning technology, I honestly thought I'll never understand this. Every new app felt intimidating. Every tutorial felt way too fast. I worried I was asking silly, stupid questions. Looking back, I realized something. The problem wasn't me. The problem was trying to learn everything at once. And that is the number one mistake that most people make. Trying to learn 5 different tools at the same time. AI, Canva, YouTube, email marketing, automation. It's just too much. Your brain isn't failing. It's just overloaded. Instead, choose one. Just one. Become comfortable. Then move on to the next one. Thinking you need expensive equipment? Can I let you in on a secret? Most beginners already have everything they need. A phone, internet, curiosity. That is enough. Don't wait until everything is perfect. Start with what you have. Watching tutorials without actually doing them, this one is huge. Watching feels productive, but doing creates progress. When someone shows you something, pause the video, copy it. Click the buttons, make mistakes. You'll remember far more by doing that than just watching. Now, the next mistake is the one I wish someone had told me years ago. Thinking that you're too old. I hear this all the time. I'm in my 30s. Oh, I'm in my 40s. No, I can't do this. I'm in my 50s. Technology does not care how old you are. It only responds to practice. Every expert was once a beginner. Age isn't the barrier. Fear is. Believing you'll break something. Can I tell you something funny? I used to be scared of clicking buttons. Now I click first and figure it out afterwards. Because almost everything has an undo button. You learn by exploring, not by watching. Comparing yourself to experts. This one steals confidence. You're watching someone with 5 years of experience and you're expecting yourself to keep up on a day-to-day basis. That's like expecting to play a piano after watching one lesson. Be patient with yourself. Giving up too early. This is probably the biggest one. People quit not because technology is impossible, but because they mistake confusion for failure. Confusion is part of learning. In fact, it's proof you're learning something new. Can I tell you what I honestly believe? The future doesn't belong to the people who know everything. It belongs to the people who are willing to keep learning. That's it. Technology will keep changing. New apps will keep appearing. AI will improve, but your greatest skill will always be your willingness to learn. So if you remember nothing else from today's lesson, remember these 3 things. 1, you are not bad with technology. Nobody taught you. 2, start with 1 tool, not 10. And 3, progress beats perfection every single time. So if you'd like to become more confident with technology using simple, free, and affordable online tools without feeling overwhelmed, I would love to help you. So go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel, then comment the word send down below. And after you've commented, go check your inbox because I'm going to send you a free beginner training video that'll help you take your very first step with confidence. Because remember, you don't have to know everything. You just have to start. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. I'll see you in the next video.